going to pull up on some real street. Like, what up? Alright, let's see what this mother trucker has to say. Bro. It's about 43 degrees. Real nice sunny day out today. Need to get these cows some grain and then clean out their stall side. Just to fade them forward, then they'll come out from back there, so I can get that cleaned out here in a little bit. Alright, got some more calves down here. Need to give them some more food. Feed them a couple times a day. We just kind of roll out the hay bales, and then as they eat it, just pitch it forward. Get the rest of this kicked up for them. Nice grain. Freaking freeloaders. A lot of ya. Who's hungry? All you can eat till it's gone. Up here we have a bunch of freeloaders that people just drive by our property and think, oh yeah, this is a farm, they can take chickens. So we're kind of like a retirement home for old chickens and roosters. This is a giant group of roosters. They've kind of formed like a gang, I guess. And yeah, they just free range on our property. They eat all the bugs, so we just let them be. Pretty cool dudes. But they crow all through the night and all through the day. Custom stairs built just for me because I'm that cool. Whew. What's up, cat? Yeah, same. I agree. Oh, easy, girl. Easy now. Hey! Come on. Everybody, back where you're supposed to be. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. That's quality content right there.
They busted out back over here.
Now we gotta fix it, huh?
They got out back here. They got out back there.
Oh, they barked down our pallet.
Yeah. No respect.
No respect at all. We spent hours working on this.
That'll hold them.
See what these slackers are up to.
I don't fucking talk to them at all. I don't know. I think he's still trying to. Then I tear it out for a while. Yeah, I think he was probably trying to stay longer. That's why I told him.
Well, it's nighttime, so that means nighttime chores. You'll button everything down, make sure the cows are good for the night. Gotta work with those yahoos all day long, every day. Just do the whole thing like it's a silent movie. Oh, God.
Damn fucking forest.
She's an old piece, but she drives true most of the time.